How to change room name on email. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Changing a room's name on email makes your chats easier to recognize. So first of all, here's how you can do it. Launch open the email application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the room option from the top center and click open your room. Once you're inside one of your rooms, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. And now from the pop-up, tap on the gear icon at the top right and go to room name. Erase your current room name and write down a new one. Once you are done, click the check mark at the top right and you have changed your room name. In order to change your name in the room, you must be the admin of the room. After that, your name will be changed. Now that's how you change your room name on email. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.